Why does your voice turn into a cartoon chipmunk when you inhale helium? Let's get one thing straight. Helium doesn't change your vocal cords. So, what's really happening? When you speak, your vocal cords vibrate and send sound waves through your throat and mouth, kind of like a musical instrument. Now here's the twist. The sound of your voice depends on the speed of sound in the air you're speaking through. Normal air is made of heavier gases like nitrogen and oxygen. But helium, it's way lighter. Sound waves travel much faster through helium, nearly 3 times faster than in normal air. This makes the higher frequency parts of your voice louder and more noticeable, and your voice sounds squeaky. But fun fact, your actual pitch doesn't change. It's your timbre, or tone quality, that's affected. And that chipmunk effect? All thanks to sound moving at super speed through a lighter gas. Of course, don't try this too often. Helium displaces oxygen and can be dangerous in large amounts.